This book has far surpassed my thoughts and dreams. We didn't even realize the total power of this. And as we're getting the feedback of all these different signs and signals and symptoms and conditions that people are having such remarkable results, like I said, you're almost hard-pressed to find something that we couldn't help. When you bathe the entire body at the same time with this beautiful, wonderful red light therapy, it has been making these differences. The name of the book is Illuminated Healing, and you'll be able to get it on Amazon. I've been thinking about writing different books over the years. I am the authority, but people don't always know that. Now that I have a book, people understand that I have a lot of background in this industry. And I was hoping for something that I could be proud of. I was not expecting it to be this good. It's really good. There's so many references in it, and it's indexed. I mean, it's not difficult at all to explain about light therapy because it kind of makes sense. You know, it's just an element of sunlight. And what we've done is we've isolated the perfect wavelengths. We've magnified it many times and drive it into the person's body. When you're looking at research that was done in 2017, 15, things like that, they're using much weaker equipment. Now you're going to start seeing, in the book, we're referencing things that are 2022 and 21, so it's more current. And over the years, the equipment has always gotten stronger and better. We've got beds that are going into facilities just for the research aspect. Most of the stuff on the internet is trying to sell you on stuff. And the book, I promise you, 99% of it is information. It's about research. It's about documenting. The focus of it is people who might be interested in getting involved as a practitioner. They will be able to, once they understand the stuff in the book, they become an authority. And I'm hoping that in the future, the average doctor out there, that they will recognize that this is not instead. What I'm saying is it's not instead. It's something to use along with. To me, the most outrageous, his name is Arnett, and after one visit, changed his life. Now, would have I expected it to be one visit? No. When his provider called me up, I said, just put him on for 5 minutes, because he was describing my circulation's like I haven't had in over a decade. When you have lousy circulation, everything in your body suffers. Every organ, gland, muscle, tendon, everything suffers. And now we're getting a circulation back. This is unbelievable. And it's going to take over part of the industry. It's got to. I know that when we started 25 years ago, nobody knew the full extent. All we knew is it couldn't hurt anybody. We started using it, and that devices that we were using 25 years ago were literally thousands of times weaker than what we're using now. And that's what's made the difference. Not just that we have a lot more power, but when you bathe the entire body at the same time with this beautiful, wonderful red light therapy, it has been making these differences. I spent a long time putting this book together. I know you're going to love it. If you have any interest in getting it, it will be on Amazon. You'll be able to order it that way. This book has far surpassed my thoughts and dreams. I just felt like I had some message to give. I felt I needed to write this book.